Another great feature of the INMOTION V9 is the group ride audio sync. This allows you to not only enjoy your own music with your own wheel, but allows you to sync you and your friend's wheel together so that you can play the same music out of many wheels. How this works is you're going to turn on both the wheels, and if your wheel is already connected to your Bluetooth, you can play your music. So here I have mine already connected. So I will play this. There. So now you can see that the music is playing from this one wheel. And what you'll want to do is grab both you and your friend's wheel and double press the power button at the same time. And now you have stereo sound.